These LED marker lights under this name, made in China. Anything else? I mean, it's a nice box, but that's about what it is. These don't fit on my 7 series at all. And watch the rest of the video. Thanks. Okay, this is the brand new light. I mean, this thing comes packaged really nicely and everything, but it's obviously, sorry about that, it's obviously made for many cars and not really fitting well on any of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the hella lights. I mean, the one that came in the car when we got it was this one here, and this one does fit under the cover. It kind of connects to the wiring, but not real well, and that actually may be part of my problem, that the light is out. But this one will fit under the cap with this style connector. This one here, there's not a prayer to get that to fit into that spot.